This palette looks just like it was thrown together. So let me see if I can show you the mirror without... Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so I can't with this palette. Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing one of my favorite types of videos. We're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the July 2018 subscription. So before we get started with the box, if you're new here and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I really hope that you would consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it and it would really help me out. And for those of you who are already supporting my channel, thank you so much. Thank you for your continued support and thank you so much for coming back. So let's jump right into the box. This is actually my first time filming in like 2 weeks because I think the last two videos that you guys saw, they were pre-recorded because I knew I was going to be out of town. And I'm actually pre-recording this one because I'm going back out of town in a couple of days, but I just feel like I haven't filmed a video in like forever. So okay, so for those of you who aren't familiar with Boxycharm, it is a beauty subscription service where you pay $21 a month and you get 5 full-size makeup products for your subscription. I do believe in this box we do get 6 products this month. I'm not sure. You can pre-order some of your boxes. You can pay in advance for you can pay in advance for 3, 6, 9 or 12 boxes, and the more boxes that you pay in advance for, the less you're going to be paying month to month. But I just do the month to month, so I'm paying $21. I usually keep on top of the spoilers that come out for Boxycharm, but I've just been on the run for the past few weeks and I just haven't been able to keep up with that. So most of these products, I don't even know what's in here. I do know that all of us got either an eyeshadow palette or a misting spray from Tarte, I believe. So I don't know which one I got, but outside of those, I believe we're supposed to get maybe 1 or 2 skincare products, and that's pretty much all I know about this month's box. So this is what the box looks like. They always look the same. And then each box comes with a card that looks similar to this. They usually do have some coupons on the back of the box, and then the other side of it at the top, they'll tell you what the theme is. So what is this? So this month's theme is road tripping, and then the rest of the information is just telling you the information about the products that are in the box. So I'm just going to pull them out one by one. So this first one is the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So this is what the packaging looks like. I believe this is my first product from Note Cosmetics. I don't think I have anything else from that brand. The box does say that this blush has argan oil in it. On the back of the box it says, for all skin types, while it cares all day long with argan oil, it contains... Okay. While it cares all day long with argan oil it contains, it also brightens your face with its formula that does not dry the skin. Does not contain paraben. Apply a little amount of product with the circular movements from cheekbone to upper ear with the brush. Well, there's no brush here, but a blush brush. And it's dermatologically tested. Okay, so this is the packaging. And this is the color 05 Desert Rose. And I do already have makeup on, so I'm just going to swatch these for you. So I'm covering up a mirror right here, and this is what the product looks like. This does look like a typical color that I would wear. So my everyday blush is from one of the ABH blush kits, and I usually wear one of these colors here. So if you compare that, they do look a little similar. This does look like something, I guess this is more similar. Wait a minute. Yeah, I guess this is a bit more similar to the color up top. Now, I will say that I normally wear the color down below, but I do wear this color up top here. So I do think that this is something that I would wear from time to time. So this is what the color looks like on my finger. It looks nice and corally, which is the type of blush color that I tend to wear. It looks very pigmented too. So that's what that looks like. Even though I already read to you what's on the back of the box, I'll also read to you what Boxycharm wrote about this product. Designed to work for all skin types, the luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. So I guess there's a brush in here in the back. Yeah, so there is a little brush that goes into this little compact here. I can tell you right now, I won't be using this brush. I never use these types of brushes that come along with these little compacts, but it would be useful if for some reason you do have to touch up your blush on the go. However, I would normally apply blush with a brush that's shaped like this. To me, this is it's too narrow for me to apply a blush. I would probably maybe use this for something like maybe a bronzer or a powder contour, but I wouldn't use this for a blush. Okay, and this one retails for $11.99. So this is product number 1. Okay, next we have the Dr. Brandt Needless No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So this is what the packaging looks like, and I guess this is one of the skincare products that we're supposed to get this month. On the Boxycharm card, it says, "Say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested-looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biometric technology, peptide, and botanical extracts, you're guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles." And this one retails for $42. Now, I do know for a fact that this is my first Dr. Brandt product, and I'm definitely going to try this out. I'll probably try it tonight, because if you've watched any of my other videos, you always hear me complain about my under eye bags and my puffiness and my dark circles and everything else. So I'm definitely going to give this a try, and I may come back in a few weeks and give you maybe a full review on this product. But it retails for $42, which that is pretty up there, but this is why the Boxycharm subscription is really good, because you're only going to pay $21 for all of these products. So right here, the $42 product by itself, it makes the box very well worth it. But the reason I pointed out the $42 is because, from what I understand, Dr. Brandt is supposed to be a more expensive brand, but it's more worth it too. So their products get really good reviews, and a lot of people seem to like them. So I'm definitely going to try this one out tonight, and I'll see in a few weeks if I want to do a full review on the skincare product. Okay, so next we have Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like. I've never heard of this brand before, and I've actually never heard of an eyebrow cream before. So on one side, there's a brush. So I'm guessing this is supposed to be like a pomade. Oh, wait, I'm trying to pull it off, but it's supposed to twist off. Okay, so on the other side of it, this is the pomade. I don't know if you guys can see the color, but that's what the color of it looks like. And this color is not going to work for me. It looks like it's too brown, and it's not black enough. So that's what the color of it looks like. I may be able to get away with that. I usually use eyebrow pencils for my brows, but this is something that I would at least try just to see how it works. So let me read to you the description on here. The only thing that they have on here are the ingredients for the product. So I'll read to you what's on the Boxycharm card. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easily, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. And this one retails for $26. So I'll give this a try, I guess tomorrow when I do my brows. Next we have Wonder Beauty's Unlashed. Oh, this is a mascara. I thought this big thing was a lipstick, but it's a mascara. This is the Volume and Curl Mascara from Wonder Beauty. So this is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the brush looks like. So normally when you see a brush that looks like this, where the bristles are very densely packed, usually a brush like this should add volume to your lashes. Whereas, do I have an example of, let's see here. Give me a second. I'm trying to show you guys another, oh, here we go. The Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I believe this one is advertised as one that's supposed to give you volume and length. To me, it only gives you length. So when you have bristles that are spiked like this, they will normally separate your lashes and give you some length, but in my experience, they're not the best at giving you volume. So I usually go for mascaras that tend to be volumizing over lengthening, because I don't really think I need too much length, but I always want my lashes to look a little more full. And if you're familiar with my channel, I never wear false lashes, so I usually take my mascara very seriously. So this one too, I will probably use tomorrow to see how I like it. And then if I do like these products, I'll probably do, in addition to doing a review, maybe I'll do a tutorial on them. So let me read to you what it says. Again, the packaging doesn't have any information, but on the Boxycharm card, it says, this award-winning black and intense glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. The ingredients are not on here either, so you will have to go to the website to see what the ingredients are. I'm assuming though, it doesn't say anywhere that this is waterproof, so I'm assuming that it's not, because they would have to put waterproof on there if it is, which is good for me because I do not like waterproof mascara. I just think it's way too difficult to wash off. And the fact that it's considered a glossy mascara, I'm not quite sure how I feel about that. I'll just have to try this and see. So I'm not going to bother to swatch this because it's just the mascara. But again, if I do like it, you'll know because you'll see me use it in a future video. And I don't know if I said this already, but this one retails for $24. Okay, and lastly, we have the Crown Brush Fuego eyeshadow collection. So it comes packaged like this. Now this is one of the products that I knew some of us were going to get. We were either going to get the eyeshadow palette or the misting spray. And I will tell you right now, I wanted the misting spray. This eyeshadow palette did not look appealing to me, so I'm already kind of like a little disappointed. But let's open it up and see what it looks like. So this is the packaging, nice and sleek looking. On the back of the box, they have the ingredients and the net weight. So the front of the palette looks just like the packaging, nothing on the back. Okay. All right. So this is what my protective sheet looks like. This is the thing that's supposed to protect your mirror. All right, I'm gonna see if I can show you guys the mirror because it doesn't look very professionally. This palette looks just like it was thrown together. So let me see if I can show you the mirror without, oh my gosh, okay. Okay, so I can't with this palette. When I opened it, this whole shadow just fell out everywhere. So I'm gonna have to contact Boxycharm about this. But that, let me see. Here's all of the eyeshadow on my protective case. It just fell out. Now I will say that the rest of the colors, they do look fine. They don't look like they're gonna fall out like this one. And the color scheme actually looks a lot better than I thought it was gonna look. Like this color here, this one is very eye-catching to me. I think it's really pretty. Same with this one here. It does look a lot better in person than it did when I saw pictures on Instagram, I will say that. But before I tap into this palette at all, I'm not going to do any swatches or anything. I'm going to contact Boxycharm and ask them to replace this palette because I lost an entire shadow. But let me see if I can clean this up as best as I can. All right, I had to take a minute to get myself together because I didn't realize that I also dropped some of the eyeshadow on my pants and on my chair. So I'm just a little ticked off right now, but it's okay. All right, I'm gonna read to y'all what it says on the card about this palette. Made up of rich, warm tone shades, this creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this palette for all your glam #goals. And this retails for $29.99. So this is also my first product from Crown Brush. And yeah, I think they're called Crown Brush because I think they specialize in brushes, but they do have other makeup products. I'm not sure about that, but I'll link their website down below. So like I said, I'm not going to tap in to the palette because I want to see if I can get a replacement. I don't know if anyone else had the same issue with this palette, but it could just be like I just got like a defective palette. So don't think that all of the palettes will be like low quality or anything. It just could be that I happened to get one that didn't package very well. I got that eyeshadow like all over everything. But anyway, so these are all of the products that are in the box. I thought I heard somewhere, maybe on someone else's video or on Instagram or something, that we were supposed to get 6 products, but I only got 5. So I'm not sure if maybe that was a spoiler that was unconfirmed, or maybe certain people got 6 products. I'm not sure. But these are all of the products in the July 2018 box. And again, if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will leave their link down below. I will tell you that outside of this eyeshadow palette being broken, I am very satisfied with all of the products that I get from Boxycharm, and I've been using them for I think this is my 5th month with them. So I would highly suggest that you go to the link below and at least check them out and consider subscribing just for 1 month just to see how you like it. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment. If you subscribe to Boxycharm, let me know what you thought about this month's subscription. And I hope to see y'all back for my next upload. In the meantime, here's a couple other videos from my channel that you can check out. Please watch them, please enjoy, and I hope to see y'all back for my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.